Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gurkirat Singh here. So this video is for my ISC class 11 and 12 students. So children, we'll be discussing the format of proposal writing. In ISC examination, the proposal writing carries 10 marks and you can easily score 10 on 10 by sticking to the format prescribed by the council. Kindly adhere to the format prescribed by the council. So children, as you can see on the screen, the specimen for proposal writing as prescribed by the council. As a member of the student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a science club. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully establish this particular club. So children, before starting the proposal, I'll give you some instructions. First of all, we have to write the title, and the title must be center aligned and it should be around 5 to 6 words. I'm repeating myself. The title must be center aligned and it should be around 5 to 6 words. Followed by the introduction, then objectives in the form of a paragraph, not point-wise, followed by list of measures. The list of measures, at least 4 points. It should be 4 in number. And try to use the word may in your list of measures. And at the end, conclusion, a one-line statement to end your proposal. It should politely request the head of the institution to accept your offer. So as you can see in this question, first of all, we'll write the title, Proposal for Setting Up a Science Club. It is center aligned and it is around 5 to 6 words. Then we'll write the introduction. To foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives, we propose to set up a science club in school. You can write maximum 2 sentences and 2 marks will be awarded for writing a correct introduction. Followed by the objectives. While writing the objectives should have at least 2 points in the form of a paragraph and not point-wise. A candidate should introduce 2 distinct reasons for such a proposal. So you can see here on the screen that 2 distinct reasons have been written. A science club will help students overcome their phobias regarding science. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. List of measures. We have to write 4 in number in bullet points, and your list of measures should include it should be 4 in number and it should include when, where, who, how. So you can see the first point, the middle school activity room will be used as the room for all science club meetings and activities. Second point, the meetings will take place once a week after school from 2 p.m. till 3 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or competition will take place on Saturdays. Membership of the science club will be open to all students from classes 6 to 12. The club president will be Mr. Sinha, our senior physics teacher. 8 other office bearers will be elected from the members of the club. Fourth point, club membership has been fixed at Rs 250 per member per year. Children, you have to write minimum 4 points and you can write 5 as well, but I'll suggest you to write only 4 points. And we have to end our proposal with a concluding line. We hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the science club becomes a reality in the life of the school. So you can see the marks division: 2 marks for introduction, 2 marks for objectives, 4 marks for list of measures, and 2 marks for linguistic ability. That the vocabulary you use, this grammar you use, and you have to write the title and you have to conclude your proposal. It should politely request the head of the institution to accept your offer. A one-line statement to express hope that the proposal would be accepted. So make sure You end your proposal with a concluding statement. So now we'll practice one question. As the literary secretary of your school, you have been given the responsibility of starting a book club. Write a proposal in not more than 150 words outlining the steps you will undertake to establish this club successfully. So children, we'll begin our proposal with the title, and as I told you earlier that the title must be center aligned and it should be around 5 to 6 words. So the title is Proposal for Setting Up a Book Club, followed by introduction. In order to promote a culture of reading and meaningful literary discussions among students, comma, we propose to establish a book club in school. Objectives. Make sure you write the objectives in the form of a paragraph. They should not be point wise. And two distinct reasons. The book club will help students develop a lasting interest in reading, thereby improving their vocabulary and comprehension skills. It will also contribute to the institution's academic culture by preparing students to represent the school in literary competitions and events. After this, we'll move forward towards a list of measures. As I mentioned earlier, the list of measures must be at least 4 in number: when, where, who, and how. And children, please try to use the word may. I'm repeating myself, try to use the word may. And the words need to be formal and polite. So here you can see the first point. The book club meetings may be conducted every Friday in the school library from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Membership may be open to students from classes 9 to 12. The club may organize activities such as book readings, literary quizzes, peer-led discussions, and interactions with local authors to keep the sessions engaging. The club may function under the guidance of Mrs. T. Baker, our senior English teacher. So 4 list of measures and 4 marks will be awarded to you. And we have to end our proposal with a polite concluding line. We hope that this proposal will be approved so that the book club becomes a valuable and enriching part of our school's academic life. Children, make sure there is no need to write the word conclusion. You are not supposed to write the word conclusion. You just have to write the concluding statement and end your proposal. And you can easily score 10 on 10 marks by just sticking to this format taught in this video. I hope you liked the video. For more such videos, do like, share, and comment.